Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. For this project, I used a tin can. I took it outside and sprayed it with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum flat white spray paint. I sprayed both the inside and outside of the can. Once the can was dry, I brought it back inside and used Waverly ink chalk paint to paint the top and bottom lip of the can. I was going for an enamel look on this project. In my opinion, nothing says farmhouse like enamel. I created this cut file on Design Space for the can. I'll leave a link in the description to the file for those of you who have a Cricut and are interested in recreating this project for your home. I applied the vinyl to the can and made sure I had pressed it into the grooves of the can. I didn't want the paint or vinyl coming off the can, so I applied a layer of Mod Podge to protect it. And would you believe this is just a tin can out of my kitchen? If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!